Hey guys, what is up? Ready back again with another video, and today I am going to be airbrushing some 3D printed parts. So here's a sample of something that I've painted with acrylic paint. No top coat or anything like that. And I also have this little gyroscope. So let me just spin it. So you can see it looks pretty cool. All turning in different directions and stuff. So, and each piece is a different color. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting all these parts pink. It's a gear heart, and my friend wants one, so I said sure, I'll print it. What color you want it? And he said pink. So I'm gonna, instead of painting it with a paintbrush, I'm going to be painting it with an airbrush. So it will go a lot quicker, it'll be a lot evener spread, and just overall a lot easier. So the only thing I don't have to print with this is the pins that hold it in, because you won't see those anyway. But here's the block, here's the block that holds it all together. Now I hope that by printing all this, I hope the paint doesn't scratch off from like while it twists. If it does, then I'm definitely gonna have to invest in some different color filaments. But anyway, let's get this paint prepped and yeah, start our first coat. Alright, so we have our paint prepped and ready to go. Just want to get whatever this is off. There we go. And so we're gonna put it in our airbrush and start the paintbrush process. So we just gotta get it flowing. Haven't used this in a while, so seems like it's gone. Oh. There we go. Oh, well, the moment of truth, right? Turn the pieces just a little bit, just to get the every single side. Alright, so the first coat is done. We're going to bring out the trusty hair dryer and give it a nice little blow. Okay, so the first coat is done and dry, so let's start up the compressor again and start spraying the next coat. Alright, so the second coat is done. Let's get the hair dryer on it and see how it came out after that. Alright, so we're just going to let them dry a little bit longer, and then we're going to see how it looks. Alright, so here's the final heart. It's all put together. It looks really awesome. And so we can spin it a little bit. It takes 5 turns to get back to normal. And yeah, so looks pretty good. We have that one, which I'm going to be giving to my friend, and then I have this one that I made my fiance off the natural. See, I wish I would waited and gave her this one, because this one looks like pretty badass. But that's that. So airbrushing on 3D printed plastic, definitely it sticks. I have no chipping problems or anything like that. I can also show you what I recently made for the 3D printer. It's actually pretty awesome. So I'll go show you that in a second. Alright, so on the back of the 3D printer, this would usually be the MakerBot logo, but instead what I did was I found a file online that it was the exact plate, and you could customize it to whatever you wanted. So I typed in Zoo Rated, and I printed it out all in white PLA, and then I just painted just like the background black. So it looks good. So there's that, and then there's the original. So original, and then what I have. So it looks pretty sweet. And then another cool thing is that I've been making these stick extenders for the Xbox 360. It's pretty awesome. I've gave a couple trial ones to my friends to see if they liked them and see if it'd be something worth putting up for you guys to buy. And I've been getting some pretty positive results. It's actually made me turn down my sensitivity in Call of Duty. That's how much of a difference it makes. I was playing on a 10, and with these it makes it a lot more sensitive, so I can turn it back and be a lot more accurate with it.
So I have these sticks up on eBay. The link will be down below. So go get them while they're hot. They're going to be just like this with the white and the clear base. You just put it on your controller and it makes you play like a boss. But anyway, guys, please like, favorite, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.